On the night of August 27th, the moon is going to turn red, and if you live in the United States, there is a very good chance you can watch it happen. This is a partial lunar eclipse, but there is something unusual about this one. At its deepest point, about 93% of the moon's diameter will be inside Earth's darkest shadow. That means it will look very close to total lunar eclipse. So why does the moon turn red instead of simply disappearing? What causes the eclipse? A lunar eclipse happens when the sun, earth, and moon line up. Earth moves between the sun and the moon. That means Earth begins blocking the sunlight that normally lights the moon. But Earth's shadow has two main parts. The lighter outer shadow is called the penumbra. The much darker center is called the umbra. On August 27th, the moon will move deep into the umbra, but it will not go completely dark. And Earth's atmosphere is the reason why. Sunlight contains many colors. When sunlight passes through Earth's atmosphere, blue light scatters much more easily. This is the same basic reason our daytime sky looks blue, but red and orange light travel through the atmosphere more easily. Some of that red light is bent around the Earth and into its shadow, and eventually it reaches the moon. So during a lunar eclipse, Earth is blocking the direct sunlight, but our atmosphere is still sending red light towards the lunar surface. Think about every red sunrise and sunset around Earth. Together, that filtered light can give the moon its copper red color. At first, it may look like a dark bite is slowly being taken out of the moon. Then, more and more of the surface enters Earth's shadow. Near maximum eclipse, most of the moon may appear dark red, copper, or rusty orange. The exact color can change depending on clouds, dust, smoke, and other materials in the Earth's atmosphere. And because the eclipse is so deep, the view should be especially dramatic. When to watch in the U.S. Much of the United States will be able to see the eclipse. In the Eastern Time Zone, the main partial eclipse begins around 10:34 p.m. on August 27th. Maximum eclipse happens about 12:13 a.m. on August 28th, and the main partial phase ends at 1:52 a.m. That is about 9:34 p.m. Central Time, or 8:34 p.m. Mountain Time, and 7:34 p.m. Pacific for the beginning of the main partial phase. And unlike a solar eclipse, you do not need eclipse glasses. You can safely watch the lunar eclipse with your own eyes. Binoculars or a telescope can make the color even easier to see. So if the sky is clear on August 27th, go outside and look up. Earth's shadow is about to turn the moon red. Follow Unified Field Press for more science and space news.